ہے. My mother beats me many times.
I remember an ancient stillness and light providing that land, which at that time was still untouched and intact. In every city and every village, the people were sitting in circles, communicating, sharing, and drinking coffee or tea. I saw no violence, no festering fires of terrorism or bleeding wounds of a country dispossessed and possessed, but a golden haze of stillness and peace. The life here was being lived as it had been for centuries. This was holy Pakistan. For me, this was a vision, something revealed to me that I needed to see. I do not know how accurately this vision presented the real state of the land and the people that I saw. I'm certain that there were many things taking place there, within that complex culture that I was not aware of. I saw only the dimension of ancient and eternal peace, and I didn't want to leave it. The memory of this holy time and place is pointedly precious to me now. Since all things have been changed by the ravages of the times, the beautiful, golden, gentle, peaceful land of Pakistan that I saw then cannot be found in exactly the same way again in this world, but it lives in the hearts of those who are blessed to perceive it and internalize the beauty and the grace of the eternal one that was manifested in that holy land then.